Students, in the last session, we have learnt about definition of rational numbers, how to mark a given rational number on a number line, and how to find equivalent rational number to the given rational number. Today, we are going to see the rational numbers in standard form. If in a rational number a by b, the only common factor of a and b is 1, that is, the numerator and the denominator should have 1 as a common factor, and b is positive, that is, the denominator is always positive, then the rational number is said to be in standard form. Definition of factor. A factor divides a number without leaving any remainder. For example, take a number 6. Take a number 6. If I divide the number 6 by 2, 3 2s are 6, the remainder is 0. There is no remainder. So, from this we can conclude that 6 is equal to 2 into 3. That is, 2 and 3 are factors of 6. And 6 can be written as 1 6 or 6. Therefore, 1 and 6 are also factors of 6. Always we used to consider the prime factors. Here the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Let us take a rational number 3 by 5. While seeing this number itself, you can remember that 3 and 5 are prime numbers. We know that prime numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. Therefore, 3 can be written as 1 3s are 3 and 5 can be written as 1 5s are 5. Here 1 is a common factor. Therefore 3 by 5 is in standard form. Let us take one more example, 20 by minus 25. Before solving this example, we just recall the definition of rational numbers in standard form. If in a rational number a by b, the only common factor of a and b is 1 and b is positive, that is, the denominator should be positive. Here the denominator is in negative integer, that is minus 25. This minus, that is negative sign, will go to the numerator. Twenty by minus 25 can be written as minus 20 by 25. You know that 20 can be written as 5 4s are 20 and 25 can be written as 5 5s are 25. The common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 5. The common factor get cancelled. We can cancel the common factors. Therefore, numerator is minus 4 and the denominator is 5. 4 can be written as 4 ones are 4. 5 can be written as 5 ones are 5. Here the common factor is 1. Therefore, 20 by minus 25 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Therefore, the standard form of 20 by minus 25 is minus 4 by 5. Students, let us see the another method to find the standard form of rational number. In the last method, we used factors. In this method, we are going to use the divisibility test that you studied in 6th standard. Here, the given sum is 48 by minus 84. See, here the denominator is in negative integer. So, we have to take this negative sign to the numerator, that is minus 48 by 84. 48 and 84 can be divisible by 4. So we get minus 12 by 21. Now, this minus 12 by 21 is divisible by 3. So, we get minus 4 by 7. This minus 4 can be written as 4 into 1. 7 is a prime number. 7 can be written as 7 ones are 7. So, the common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1. So, the standard form of 48 by minus 84 is minus 4 by 7. The same sum 48 by minus 84 can be solved by another method. 48 by minus 84. Listen, here the denominator is in negative integer. So, change the negative sign to the numerator. That is minus 48 by 84. 48 and 84 are divisible by 12. So, we get an answer minus 4 by 7. That is 48 by minus 84 is equal to minus 4 by 7. Students, listen here. 48 by 84. Here also 48 by 84. The standard form of 48 by minus 84 is equal to minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7. In this method, we reached the answer by doing 3 steps. By doing 1, 2, 3 steps. But in the another method, we reached the answer within a step. So, we have to be confident in the tables. Do the regular practice. To get the answer easily, you must be thorough with the tables and do the sums daily. Students, here you can see the beauty of maths. That is, you can solve the sums. By different ways, but the answer is unique. That is the beauty of maths. Students, here I have given some practice sums. Do it carefully. To solve these sums, I will give some hints. In the first sum, it is given that 36 by minus 96. Observe here, the denominator is in what you have to do. Next sum, see, minus 56 by minus 72. Here the numerator and the denominator are having the negative signs. So, cancel the both negatives. So, it becomes 56 by 72. Then solve it. Third one is 27 by 54.